on to the next repair. Now, the bench seats and the table were taken out on the slide between mouse poop and just regular wear and tear with your dirt. And so I was going to scrub it. I already pre-soaked and I was letting it sit in for a little bit, and then I was going to take a brush and go over it. There was a heck of a lot of mouse poop right over here. This here, I don't think I'll be getting. I don't want to mess around with cords. There are 2 bolts left. This bolt and a bolt underneath here that have to be removed yet, but we can't do that yet. So that'll be another project. But in the meantime, I'm going to clean the carpet. Yes, the carpet will eventually be coming up when we get the flooring, but until then, I need to make it pretty. So as long as this beautiful creature allows me to do this work, I'll be able to get it done. Let's get on with it. I went over this once, and I don't know if I'm going to get it any cleaner than this, but I will try. I don't have much confidence. It's a lot of soap. And then that, I think that's a rust mark. Let's try a different brush. I think I'm definitely getting my work out. So those 2 tough spots, I'm just gonna let them sit and soak up, do their deal, do whatever it does. And I will go back and suck up whatever water might be there. But until then, next project. So we're putting plexiglass on the door. I am going to replace the screen that Bella decided to destroy, but we thought this would help. Bella can't destroy the screen the second time around. Well, that'll work. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I've got the carpet now completed on this side. I don't think it's going to get any better than this, but at least I know it's clean, and I can feel comfortable with this in here until we're ripping it up. And I hung the light. I couldn't find a place to put the camera, so I did hang the light. It's not so bad. That light right there, it's solar. That sucker ain't going nowhere. I mean, it is stuck. Bella made new marks here. You already knew about those, but here. So what do you have to say for yourself? Anything? Nothing at all? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Okay, so while the carpet is drying, baskets. So I wanted one to be able to get the clutter out of my cupboard. My cupboards look like crap. There's got to be a better way, right? There has to be a better way. I'm going to find a better way. And for this basket right here, I thought, why not brushes and flat irons and, you know, things of that sort. The ideal is to use command strips. Yeah, that's not going to work out. They're just going to bend. That's not so bad. I just would need to tighten these to make sure that the bouncing, maybe the bouncing, or maybe the weight of the stuff won't make that happen. We'll see. Okay, and I'll show you the finished product. All of, you know, our normal use of products go in here. I have to figure something out because I need more shelf. Better, but hanging things, like some shelf, something. I'll figure it out. So the other projects I put together, I'm sure they're gonna change because, you know, nothing's ever permanent, but I have a place to put our shoes right now and my little tiny brush and dustpan. This is gonna things that we take outside but we don't want to keep outside, and then this is all of Bella's belongings. I believe that this might be a better way to store our things and declutter. It's getting out of control. Going to feng shui or whatever my friend said it was to this place, and that's what I've been working on in the last 2 days. Okay, keep following. It might get interesting. Using the window and track lube. This is supposed to work real well. think I got it. I think to the next window. Okay, well, and then I'll do the front windows tomorrow. Yeah, on the roof to show you exactly what it is I'm gonna be taking care of tomorrow because I'm running out of daylight. It's pretty dirty. You can see all the buckles. If anybody can tell me how to repair that. I noticed it here in the front and here along the edges. You can see it buckled. It's definitely buckled. Also here, you can see it. The view's beautiful. It's very pretty. There's the cabin. Behind the tree here is the bathhouse. The communal pit where morning coffee is always needed and appreciated. Okay, so until tomorrow, I found something else as I'm trying to climb down the ladder. Yes, I am. We've got ants, and I bet they're finding their way in. Well, okay. We can do this. We'll call it shit show number 2.